What's going on, everybody? It's super windy today, so I hope you can hear me. I have my little mic fluff on, so hopefully that helps. It's windy, but it's beautiful, and I got the call that I got cut from work today, so I thought, let's make a day of it. I'm panting because I just ran up and down my stairs because I forgot my camera. But we're back. So on the agenda today, we're going to, by we, I mean me, this is a solo adventure. We're going to this really cool coffee shop that was created by apparently a famous Japanese barista. The coffee shop is called Sawada, and I saw it on TikTok, and it's in the West Loop. I've been wanting to go. Okay, I forgot something twice, so I had to run back to my place twice. But we're here, we're officially on the mission. So I'm going to Sawada first, and I'm going to study a little Korean while I'm there, because of course. And I'm just really excited to see it. It looks really fun, industrial. I'm hoping I can get like a really good chai there. And then I'm going to a botanical garden, also over in the West Loop, or like farther than the West Loop. So I'm really excited for that as well. And then running another errand while I'm down there, and then shooting back up. So yeah, I'm excited for it. Should be a good day. Also, quick public service announcement. Before I was getting ready to head out, I put on this necklace, which is a carnelian stone crystal. And I really wanted to wear it because, you know, it has healing magical properties and whatnot. And at the same time I was like, it doesn't really go with my outfit, and you know, not everybody knows about crystals. Like, what if it looks weird? What do people think? And then I just remembered, but I love crystals, and I love people that love crystals and the world that encompasses. And if I don't wear mine proudly, how will those other people find me? So I think that's a good way to think about it. Really cool. I just ran into a friend from my old job at a train station platform in downtown at 10:30 in the morning. Just super random, and I figured, okay, well, this is fated. So we chatted, caught each other up on our new jobs, and went our separate ways, but that was cute. Okay, so we made it to Sawada. This is in the West Loop, and let me tell you, it's worth the hype. Such a cool place. So this was the door. I was a little hesitant to open it because it doesn't seem like it should be opened, but here's the inside immediately. Look at this place. So cool. Pastries on a skateboard. Are you kidding me right now? Super industrial inside. Obviously, this used to be some sort of warehouse, but they turned it into a coffee shop slash barbecue joint that's in the back there, kind of shared in the building. These girls were nice enough to let me record them, and here I am pretending like I studied Korean. I'm gonna be honest, I did not study Korean that day. I did read my acting book, but I need to get better about my Korean studies. So it is insanely windy today, so I can't really film while I'm walking around, my voice anyways, but I just stopped inside the station here. This is the Conservatory stop on the Green Line, and look, right there is the incredible conservatory. I've never been, but you can see how massive it is. And this is something that I love about Chicago, and one of the main reasons I moved here is because I didn't have a car. And the fact that this train station, I'm just so happy, like the Green Line went directly to the conservatory. So even to visit like sites to see and stuff, you don't need a car. So exciting. I love it when public transportation works. So we made it to the observatory, and on the right you see that coat rack. That's because they kept it at a tropical temperature in here, and it was super humid, which obviously they have to do to protect all these species of plants that would otherwise not survive the Chicago winters. And here was a flower room. It was so beautiful. So this greenhouse has multiple branches, and you go through these doors into these different wings, if you will, and there's different themes. So there was a desert one, this is the flower one. There was multiple sort of rainforest ones. Speaking of which, this is one of those sort of rainforest tropical climate rooms. I was loving this room after this brutal Chicago winter, guys. Having some warmth, and I was even enjoying the humidity, to be honest. It was so nice in here. So after the observatory, I stopped for lunch at this place called Gajin in the West Loop. They serve okonomiyaki, and it was so good, you guys. I cannot even explain. Good morning, everybody. What's going on? How we doing? I wanted to end yesterday's vlog by just saying, hi, that's the end. And also the acting continues. I have a Zoom call to meet an actor that I'm going to be shooting with this Sunday in just a minute. So yeah, I'm going to have some breakfast and get on to that. But thank you for watching the vlog, my little adventure day. It was so nice. It was so nice. I want to have more days like that. And I want to share those spots with other people because it was so fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.